So a lot of you have been asking, what does device health mean within my device? So I'm going to walk you through it. The way that you get to device health is you go to the device you want on the device dashboard and you select the device health tile. Here you'll find different sections. The first one is power. If you have a battery device, it'll say battery and it'll show you your battery level, which is a really great indicator on whether you should charge your device. Also, if you have a solar panel attached, it'll tell you what the status is of your solar panel. The next section is network. Ideally under signal strength, you want your RSSI to be between 0 and -60 and indicate green, like here. Also, you'll have your network name and a really easy way to change your Wi-Fi if you need to. Under device details, you'll have your last health check, your MAC ID, and whether your firmware is up to date. It's really important that your firmware is up to date to optimize your device performance. Under tools, you have some really great troubleshooting tips and ways to test and optimize your device health. So you can test your Wi-Fi or get some really great ideas on how you can optimize your performance. And that's it. Device health is really easy and a really great way to check and make sure that your device is optimized.